spent in the presence of the King. Bow the knee, trust the heart of your Father when the answer goes beyond what you can see.